Saudi Arabia,
Honorable chairs and distinguished delegates, the delegation of Saudi Arabia is at Tribune month ahead of the summit. Fellow Saudi Arabian Jamal Khashoggi was accidentally chopped in a couple pieces, packaged in an LV suitcase and sent home. But remember, the delegation is present here today are here to discuss the future and not our past mistakes. Like every nation, we see as our highest duty to care about our people. Those of you, honorable delegates, who refer to us as unfree or authoritarian, we have an advice. Care about your problems to let your nation flourish. Like we solve ours, to let our nation develop. We're reaching out for like-minded allies and a strong leaders. Mr. Jinping of the PRC, Mr. Osman of Pakistan, and Mr. Trump of the US of A. To help us make this world and planet more independent again. Thank you.